Jury selection is underway in the sex trafficking trial of rapper and record producer Sean Diddy Combs. Combs faces several federal charges, including racketeering, conspiracy, sex trafficking, and moving people across state lines for prostitution. Prosecutors allege Combs ran a criminal enterprise where he, through the help of his associates, forced women into sex acts with male prostitutes and drug-fueled parties. His attorneys argue the acts were consensual. Combs has pleaded not guilty to all charges. He faces up to life in prison if convicted. Jury selection started today in rapper Sean Diddy Combs' federal sex trafficking trial. Legal experts say the process could take several days to complete. Fox's CB Cotton has more from New York.
Sean Diddy Combs back in a New York courtroom on Monday for the first day of his federal sex trafficking trial. Attorneys question prospective jurors about their beliefs on sexual harassment, hip-hop, and drug use. They are working to find a panel of 12, along with 6 alternates who can decide the rapper's fate.
This is an opportunity for the judge, the defense attorney, and the prosecution to look at both sides, pull jurors that are going to specifically look at these violations and determine if there was a conspiracy, racketeering, and sex trafficking.
Prosecutors claim Combs ran a criminal enterprise through his business empire, where he and his associates engaged in sex trafficking and forced labor. He's also accused of verbally and physically assaulting victims and using his employees to hide the crimes. The 55-year-old has pleaded not guilty to the charges. Defense attorneys say any sexual acts were consensual, and they suggested at a pretrial hearing that Diddy had a swinger's lifestyle.
Shoes are going to fall off because I'm going to see more and more people from Hollywood that are going to be exposed through this.
Dozens of men and women have claimed the rapper abused them, but prosecutors will focus on 4 of the cases. Diddy faces the possibility of life in prison if convicted. He rejected a plea deal, which included a potentially reduced sentence. The trial is expected to last at least 8 weeks. Opening statements are scheduled for next Monday. In New York, CB Cotton, Fox News.